Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to construct a triangle. So here we have different types of triangles we can construct based on their sides and angles. So here to construct a triangle, minimum 3 measurements we needed. Here we have 6, that means 3 sides and 3 angles are there. Out of the 6 measurements, at least we need 3 measurements. It's like 3 sides. If we have 3 sides, we can construct a triangle, or otherwise if we have 2 sides and 1 angle, we can construct. If we have all the 3 angles, we can construct, or otherwise 2 angles and 1 side we can construct. So here I'm going to explain 1 or 2 examples easily. By that easily can construct the triangle. So for constructing triangles, we need some instruments like compass with a pencil, and extra pencil also needed, extra one pencil for drawing any other lines or angles, whatever it may be, and one pen also needed to write the question, and ruler or scale, 15 inches scale is better, and one protractor for constructing a angles. So these are the required instruments. Let us start. One example I've taken here. Construct a triangle PQR with sides PQ 4 centimeters, QR 5 centimeters, and RP 7 centimeters. So how to construct? Here we have all the 3 sides. How to construct a triangle? So in this construction, 3 important steps are there. The first one is a rough sketch. Rough sketch is very important. Rough sketch. After drawing the rough sketch, we have to construct a main triangle. Triangle construction, we have to do it. After that, we need to write some construction steps. We need to write how we have done that construction, that we have to write. So in this way, 3 parts are there. First one, rough sketch, then construction steps. 3 things we have to do it. So first one, rough sketch, I am going to draw it. So rough sketch means here 3 sides are there. 3 sides means you draw it. A rough sketch is anything you can draw it. 3 sides. Generally you take 3 sides. Draw a triangle. After that, just label the measurements. Here 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So the first one, this one is base. So what do you want to take as a base? Either 5 centimeter or 7 centimeter or 4 centimeter. That is our wish. Anything we can take it. Here I am taking 5 centimeters, and here I'll take 4 centimeters. Here I'll take 7 centimeters. Basically, if biggest side is there, that we can take it as a base. That is also no problem. Now let us see, rough sketch is over. After that, now construction. In the construction part, first base 5 centimeters taken. Just measure 5 centimeters from the ruler. Here you see 5 centimeter. Yes, 0 onwards we have to start, 0 to 5. So put 2 points and join those two. We'll get a base. And one more thing, PQR they said. So 5 centimeters I've taken, that is QR they said. So Q and R, and after that here P is there. Now here P and R, how much? That means RP is 7 centimeter. Yes, this is PR is this one. And QR, how much? QR is 5 centimeters and PQ is 4 centimeter. This is very important. And yes, I forgot the labeling this PQ, that name is very important. So first one, 5 centimeters I have drawn, that is QR. Then how can we construct one more point? A vertex is needed, that is P, where P is situated. For that, use compass. So compass, measure either 7 or 4. First I'll measure 4 centimeters. So how can we measure it? 0, and here 4 is there, 4 centimeters. 0 and 4 exactly, take it. After that, from 4 centimeters means Q onwards, that is. So Q Q onwards, draw one arc from Q. After that, PR 7 centimeters this side, so 0 onwards measure it, 0 to 7 this side, 7 centimeters. Now put the compass point at point R. From point R, draw one more arc. This arc must be intersect the previous arc. That means already this 4 centimeters arc we have drawn already here. So that should be intersect the previous arc. So these two arcs are intersecting at one point. That point is P. Now if we join P and R, and also P and Q, now we got a triangle PQR. So in this way, if we have 3 sides, we can construct the triangle. So first rough sketch is important, after that construction, then some construction steps. What are the construction steps? So first one, I have drawn QR taking 5 centimeters. Then I drawn from 4 centimeters measured, and by using compass I have drawn one arc from Q. And after that I have drawn 7 centimeters from R. So those two are intersecting at a point, that is P. I joined PQ and PR. So in this way, simplest manner, we can write the construction steps. So this is the construction of triangle.